inflation and mass poverty has decided to spend 712 billion naira, which is about $500 million, to renovate a single airport terminal, not to build a new one, not to expand aviation to underserved places like Calabar or Minna, just to renovate Terminal 1 of the Murtala Mohammed International Airport. Yes, it's old, built in 1979, but didn't we already spend 106 billion naira rehabilitating it under the Buhari administration? So what happened? Did it crumble under a decade? Now they claim it is structurally weak and must be stripped to its carcass. Stripped or looted? They justify it by pointing to JFK's $19 billion upgrade in New York. Newsflash, we're not New York. We don't have 24-hour power. Hospitals are falling apart. Doctors are threatening to strike. Nurses already have. This isn't infrastructure, it's dysfunction at scale. And the real punchline, Ghana, just right next door, built a brand new ultramodern terminal at Kotoka International Airport for $250 million. That's half of what Nigeria is spending just to renovate. Let me repeat, Ghana got a new terminal, 6 air bridges, 5 million passenger capacity, top-class amenities for half of the price of our renovation. So what exactly are we renovating? The terminal or corruption itself? Who got the contract? CCECC. Again, no open bidding, no detailed project plan, just an announcement. This isn't development, it's design and looted with duty-free perfume. Opposition parties are shouting, civil society is fuming, and the National Assembly likely still humming, Bola on your mandate, we shall stand, while our future is mortgaged. Let's be clear, this isn't about passengers or progress. It's a vanity project for the elite, a golden toilet for public funds. We're not against infrastructure, we're against daylight robbery dressed as development. 712 billion naira to renovate, that's not renovation, it's a renovation of rot. Because if this flies, it's not just planes taking off, it's our priorities, our common sense, and our future. Good morning, Nigeria.